Hey guys, so in this tutorial we're going to go over the Grasshopper definition labeled contour Brep. So first let's just load in our Grasshopper, just type in Grasshopper into Rhino and load up the contour with Brep script that I supplied to you. So first we're going to right click on Brep and set one Brep. Basically we're just going to select our geometry that we have in Rhino. And from here, as you can see, I've got it so you can visualize the slices. And we're going to turn off that Brep real quick. And then basically, we sliced it all up for you, and it's all parametric. So if we wanted to change that really quickly, we're able to by basically just sliding the slices thickness little numerical thing. And as you can see, it's updating as we move the numerical slider. So obviously this is going to give you quite a bit more resolution on whatever Brep you're going to be using. And if we want to change this, we just double click on the slider. We can hit OK and switch it back to 1. And so next, I've laid it out so it makes cut sheets for you automatically, and it also labels them. So the biggest thing with this is you need to make sure none of the cut sheets are overlapping if you're going to be using them. And one way to change that is to move this slider, and basically it just moves spaces in between, and we're able to generate cut sheets off of that. And so it looks like we still have some overlays happening, so slide that out to the max. Basically it just numbers off all of the little cut sheets that you'll need to make a contour. So let's bring this up to 2. And as you can see, the cut sheets are going to go away because we're making the material thickness bigger. So obviously, thicker material is going to make less cut sheets and also de-res your object. So if we let that update a little teeny bit. So as you can see here, the object that we were wanting to create is slightly de-res. So if we go back to 1, we'll bring back to a better resolution. And so if you want to make these into geometry, basically you just click on it and then press spacebar and hit the egg. And basically that makes it Rhino geometry from there. So each one of these is polysurfaces. Now if you wanted to bake out the cut sheets, you'd select Orient and Tag, hit the little egg shape. And if we close out of Rhino, basically you have your cut sheets all laid out, and they're numbered for you to keep them organized. And then from here you can start to lay them out on whatever size material you're going to be using. And voila, that's a contour with Grasshopper.